Hello from Montana Molding and Sign Supply. With the recent merge of Crescent and Bainbridge, we've had to do quite a bit of updating. In this 2-minute tutorial, I will go over most of the changes and features that Brittany and Alyssa have been diligent working on the last few months, mainly for a more consistent and clear experience. Head to our website at montanamolding.com. The easiest is to search for the item number or name in the search bar at the top of the page. You will see all the options associated with your search. Be sure to choose Matboard. Click on the desired product. In this box, you'll find all the details, alternative mat numbers, and specifier link. Once you click the specifier link, it will take you to Crescent and Bainbridge website. You will see available products. If you scroll down, click on the specifier, and you will have options to download or order the brochure. Back to our website. It is good practice to hit the Reset Filters button before your next search. Go to the Matboard tab in the menu at the top of the page. From there, you will see many filters to help you with your search on the left-hand side of your screen. Most of these you are familiar with, like the brand, Crescent or Bainbridge. Collections are also known as specifiers and are pretty self-explanatory. The core has remained a valuable tool. Ply is for searching for anything other than your standard 4-ply mats. Mat style will help you find that specialty piece. Size, when size matters, you need to see what's available and now. And color, that's also self-explanatory. I hope this has helped to clarify a few things and makes the navigation of our website easier. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Or if you have found an error, we have checked and double-checked, but there always seems to be those few that sneak by. Thank you for taking time to view this tutorial, and be sure to check out the next video regarding the discontinued mats. Thank you very much.